Please put your hands together. Health Macro Technologies Private Limited.
Hi everyone, I'm Shashi, founder CEO of Health Macro. At Health Macro, we are working on an exciting space which is lab diagnostics, a growing segment. We kind of want to give a perspective of the lab space. This is a kind of a healthy industry with good margins and revenues. So when we kind of met with various stakeholders of the lab, these were some of the challenges we kind of came across. Accuracy of lab reports. This is a nightmare for every lab owner or manager. What happens if the reports are accurate? The kind of challenges that they have got, sometimes the medical diagnosis, that's something that kind of boxed in. Second one is, because it's an industry that is growing, there are so many of them, how can I differentiate and compete? That's the second thing that I can do without cutting down on cost and my margins. The third and the most important thing is, where is the industry headed? Many people predict that it is headed towards compliance. The regulations and other things are going to drive a lot of consolidation. Am I prepared for that? So these are some things that came from the lab owners. From the patient owners, from the patient's perspective, this is what we felt. There were some overlapping areas. Consistently, lab reports, are they accurate, was something that was bogging their mind. Should I go for a second test to make sure it's accurate or not? Along with it, quite a lot of conveniences, because these days everybody is used to this, so quite a lot of conveniences. Can I have these reports on my mobile, on my laptop, on my mails, and can the lab do all these things without me going there, except to deliver my samples for some things that came up? So we looked at much more in detail about the lab segment over there, the diagnostic lab segment, and what we found astounded us, a huge market, 1.4 lakh labs. This number is still insufficient for us and just maps to 7 labs per 1 lakh people. So there's a growing need for that. The future trends pointed to kind of certifications and regulations driving the industry. So that's where we kind of felt it's kind of space to get in there. So we identified our addressable market to be the category B labs, wherein we have got a kind of a cloud as well as an on-premise model over there. Why on-premise? Today we believe India is not ready for the cloud yet. So our strategy is getting them onto the on-premise model and later migrating them to the cloud. So we built a solution which is DiagSmart. This is a solution that kind of reduces the errors, 0% errors. How does it do? Lab automation, process automation. Along with it, you got a three-way connectivity between labs, patients, and doctors. That is what it is. The other differentiator is about analytics, the lab analytics, which is a gold mine of data that lab owners can sit on. Today, no product has got this kind of a lab analytics built into that. So these were some of the things. Traction, yes, we are gaining traction. Testimonials we have got. We have worked with big labs like Teleradiology Solutions, and that's what Dr. Sunita has to say about us as to how DiagSmart takes away the headache of the labs, lab owners as a medical entrepreneur as she is speaking, in taking away the error kind of a fear that is there in some of the manual processes that happen. The few other things talk about the ease of use, because we have spent a lot of time on the product design usability. That's where it is coming from. This is the case study at Telerad. We showed it from 7 steps to 3 steps, 3 times improvement in productivity and other things over there, which Dr. Sunita vouched for that. What's our business model? Our business model is SaaS model, feature-based pricing. Scale, we are having lots of sales partners and channel partners to kind of go forward on this. Our story to date, 1-year-old company. We have a product launch. We have got early customers and sales alliance partners. What do we intend to do next? First is we intend to make it NABL ready for it to be better adopted and better taken to the market. And then India is a big market even for rural segments. So we are looking at index kind of thing to have a rural kind of a penetration as well. Long term, we are intending to go global with internationalizations. We have an outstanding, awesome team, a well-rounded team, that's what I would like to say. Product design, usability are extremely important over here. So we kind of have Anita as the product design. Scalability, security are very important. So we have got an enterprise architect leading our engineering. Sales, the lifeblood of the organization, have a sales people. And we work very closely with labs and hospitals. We have got doctors on our advisory panel and a go-to-market as part of the advisory panel. So we have got a well-rounded team over here. So this is the story to date. We have an awesome market, a large market, growing. The future driving towards the regulation and compliances and automation in the labs. That's the space we are in. We have both future focus as well as well-grounded in the present to move from an on-premise model to a cloud. That's how we are doing it. And we have a very low barrier for adoption. We are taking away all the things with respect to license fees, etc. A simple SaaS model based on the features is what we have got. And an awesome, well-rounded team, that's where we are at. And last and most importantly, we are a team that believes in execution. So the discipline of execution there is in the team. That's why we believe DAXmart will win. Thank you.
Judy, over to you.
Who is your competition?
Yeah, as I mentioned there, right now there is two players. iPlatina is a player that has been there for quite some time, but it's all over the place. It is a leader in that lab space. Second one is InstaHealth is an emerging player, 4 to 5 years. They are also into both HMS as well as labs.
Doesn't the hospital management system have this as a part of the module which they disaggregate, or it's completely a different solution that the diagnostic labs use? This is like a ERP for the lab.
Labs end to end, right? So we are looking at the standalone labs as well as labs within hospitals. So our strategy is also to make sure that sometimes we have been approached by HMS people. We don't want to be all over the place. Labs is a very specialized segment with single direction, bi-directional, a lot of device interface. We would like to work with you. So our strategy is twofold: attack standalone labs as well as work with HMS players in being a provider to them.
Any other questions, pointers, judges? Ladies and gentlemen, Health Macro Technologies Private Limited, big round of applause.